In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the background in KineMaster. It's a super simple process, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the KineMaster and tap on Media and import the media you'd want to change your background. Let me import this one. Once you import it, tap on the video, the timeline. Once you tap on it, you will be seeing this free button right here at the top left corner. Tap on it and tap on duplicate as layer. Now once you duplicate it, adjust its position like this by dragging it like this. Now once you adjust it, now all you have to do is scroll down and tap on magic remover here. Tap on it. Just wait for a few minutes. Now once it's completed, tap on the first clip and replace it. Tap on replace and replace it with the media asset. Let me choose this one. Once you choose it, your background will be changed. Now you can just adjust it by tapping on adjust and just adjust it like this. And that's it. As you can see, my background has been changed to my desired background. You can do it in your videos as well. Now once you're happy with it, review your video and just export it. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the other videos. Thank you for watching.